Business Connectors is a group of like-minded professionals that meets on a weekly basis. We foster education through weekly meetings, connections. You sit in the same room with the same people week after week, and hopefully you're going to do some business together as you get to know each other.
Business Connectors allows me to reach my friends' contacts. It allows me to use my associates as my salespeople, my sales team.
The Business Connectors has helped me to meet all kinds of new people, and of course all those relationships that we make with new people help to grow our businesses.
We actually encourage you to be members of the Chamber, members of other networking organizations. We think it's beneficial for our members. The more that you're connected, the better it is for our members.
But what's different about the Business Connectors is our education pieces. For instance, we take a month and we build on one particular education piece, and then we bring outside guest speakers in to talk about that education piece. For instance, on this particular month, it's all about the internet and social media. So we have outside guest speakers coming to talk about Facebook, blogs, Google search optimization, web commercials, everything that'll help grow your business on the website.
What I enjoy about this networking group is the energy that I find when I go to these meetings is incredible. They're honest people, they really want to help you, and because you're knowing them over a longer period of time, you're starting to build confidence in these people.
It's helped us build relationships in the community with other business leaders and knowing what's going on in the business community, and helped us build relationships with those customers.
Becoming a member of the Business Connectors, one of the great benefits is we don't just educate you, we train you. We have guest speakers that come in and help train you on things like social media, marketing, sales training, prospecting. So it's not just about somebody getting up there doing a quick presentation. They come in with a format.
It's been a really great experience just getting to know other small businesses in town and making those connections with them.
Everyone there you get to know and trust, and it's like having your own support system. It's just a beautiful thing.
The website is the driving force of our Business Connectors group. Every member is listed on our main website. All of their information is listed, how to find them, testimonials about people that have had successful business ventures with them. This is where people are really getting connected because it's all about the web.